If you accidentally delete a project within CapCut that you want to restore, it is very easy to do. But keep in mind that there is a time limit to this as well. So once you're working on project, guys, you will realize that once you open up the CapCut application, you can view those projects from here. And it's very easy to find these projects because once you click on the application, it will be at your home for you to view those different projects. And as you can see, I have a bunch of projects here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply highlight all of these projects and I'm going to simply click on delete and move that. Now you can see that now I have no projects. But what if you want to restore those projects? It's very easy. All you have to do is just simply click on the trash in the upper right hand side here. And once you click on the trash, you will see that you have those projects that you can restore. So you can simply highlight all of them by simply clicking on one at a time, or you can simply highlight all by simply click and hold and drag, and you can highlight that. Keep in mind that you can only keep these projects up to 30 days. So you want to keep that in mind, right? So once you do that, all you have to do is just simple click the restore. As you can see the restore button right here, and you can click restore and then it will go back into your projects. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.